Imagine the vast, cold darkness of space, suddenly illuminated by an event so cataclysmic it forever alters the trajectory of a planet. Over 4.5 billion years ago, Earth experienced just such a moment, a colossal collision that birthed its only natural satellite, the Moon. This dramatic event wasn't just a spectacle of cosmic proportions, it was a defining moment that has shaped life on our planet in profound ways. Join me on a journey back in time, as we unravel the secrets of this monumental cosmic event and understand why it still matters to us, the Earthlings. In the youthful days of our solar system, space was a veritable shooting gallery, with celestial bodies frequently colliding. Earth, then a fiery young planet, spun lonely in its orbit. Nearby, another planetary body, Theia, followed a doomed trajectory toward Earth. Imagine the unimaginable, a planet roughly the size of Mars, known as Theia, hurtling towards Earth at thousands of kilometers per hour. The impact, more powerful than billions of atomic bombs, unleashed energies unfathomable to the human mind. In moments, both planets were deformed, melting and vaporizing rock into a plume that enveloped them. The aftermath was a spectacle of raw cosmic power, with molten rock splashing into space like water droplets from a colossal splash. Earth was scarred deeply, its very composition altered by the violent fusion with Theia. The skies were filled with the fiery debris of a planet undone. This event set the stage for a transformational process that would eventually lead to the birth of the Moon, forever changing the dynamics of our planet. Earth, post-collision, was a molten, turbulent world, its future literally up in the air. Following the colossal impact, a ring of debris, composed of parts of both Earth and Theia, orbited our planet. This ring, a chaotic dance of molten rock and dust, began the slow process of accretion. Over millions of years, these remnants started clumping together, gradually forming larger bodies. In the cold darkness of space, illuminated only by the sun's distant light, this debris swirled in a celestial ballet. Each particle, each fragment carried with it the energy of that primordial collision. Over time, gravity did its work, pulling the debris together into a spherical body. This process, while violent and chaotic, was also a stunning display of the universe's ability to create order from disorder. The dance of debris was not just a phase of destruction, but also of creation, leading to the formation of something entirely new. From the swirling chaos of the debris ring, a new celestial body emerged, our Moon. Initially much closer to Earth, the Moon was a glowing orb of molten rock, its surface roiling with volcanic activity. The gravitational dance between the Earth and this nascent satellite was intense, with tidal forces shaping both bodies. As the Moon cooled and solidified, its orbit began to stabilize, moving it to its current position about 384,000 kilometers from Earth. This early Moon bore witness to the final stages of Earth's own cooling, a silent partner in the dance of planetary evolution. The appearance of the Moon in the night sky marked a pivotal moment in Earth's history, influencing everything from the length of our days to the stability of our climate. The Moon's gravitational influence extended beyond mere tidal interactions. It played a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. Without the Moon, Earth might have experienced chaotic changes in its tilt, leading to extreme climates and possibly making it inhospitable for life as we know it. By moderating the tilt, the Moon helped to maintain a relatively stable climate on Earth, enhancing the conditions necessary for life to flourish. This stability allowed for predictable seasons and a more reliable environment for the evolution of complex life forms. The presence of the Moon has been a steadying hand on the shoulder of Earth, guiding it through the eons and playing a silent yet pivotal role in the development of life on our planet. The Moon's gravitational pull is also responsible for the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean tides on Earth. These tidal forces have played a vital role in the ecological and evolutionary processes of Earth. They have influenced marine and terrestrial ecosystems, affecting everything from the breeding patterns of sea life to the formation of coastal landscapes. Moreover, These tidal interactions have gradually slowed Earth's rotation over billions of years, lengthening our days. The energy dissipated by these tidal forces also causes the moon to recede from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters per year, a small but constant reminder of the dynamic nature of our planetary relationship. The moon, thus, not only lights up our night skies but also drives the very pulse of life's rhythms on Earth, influencing natural cycles that are foundational to life. Throughout human history, the moon has been a source of wonder and inspiration. Ancient civilizations wove it into their myths and legends, often giving it a central role as a deity or a cosmic entity. Navigators once used the moon to guide their way across unknown waters, and lunar cycles helped farmers plan their agricultural activities. The fascination with the moon spurred some of humanity's greatest scientific and exploratory endeavors, culminating in the Apollo moon landings, which united millions around the globe in awe and pride. Today, the moon remains a symbol in our collective consciousness, a reminder of the mysteries of the universe and our ongoing quest to understand them. By exploring the moon, we delve into our past, understanding more about the celestial forces that shaped our world. And as we gaze upon the moon, we see not just a celestial body, but a mirror reflecting our collective ambitions and dreams. Studying the moon has not only satisfied some of our curiosity, but also expanded our knowledge of the Earth and the broader solar system. Lunar rocks brought back by the Apollo missions provided definitive proof that the moon was part of Earth, supporting the giant impact hypothesis. These studies have also given us insights into the processes of planetary formation and the dynamics of our solar system. Understanding the moon's surface has helped scientists make inferences about the early solar system's environment, offering clues about the conditions that led to the formation of other planets. The moon is thus a cornerstone in our quest for cosmic knowledge, a natural satellite that not only orbits our planet but also anchors our understanding of the universe. One might wonder how different life on Earth would be if the moon had never formed. Without the moon's stabilizing influence, Earth's tilt and climate could have varied wildly, potentially preventing the development of stable, complex ecosystems. The moon's gravitational pull also shields Earth by deflecting some space debris that might otherwise strike our planet. Speculatively, without the moon, the night sky would be darker, the tides much weaker, and the rhythm of life as we know it, marked by diurnal and nocturnal cycles, might be fundamentally different. The moon, therefore, is not just a passive observer, but an active participant in the story of life on Earth. Its existence and continued influence are testament to the intricate and delicate balance of celestial mechanics that supports life on our planet, making the moon an integral part of Earth's biological narrative. The future of lunar exploration looks bright, with numerous countries and private companies planning missions to the moon. These include manned missions, lunar bases, and even potential mining operations. The moon is becoming a key focus for developing technologies that could enable longer-term human survival in space. Moreover, lunar bases could serve as a stepping stone for deeper space exploration, particularly missions to Mars and beyond. The moon might one day host laboratories for scientific research in fields as diverse as astronomy, biology, and geology, potentially providing insights that are not feasible on Earth. This renewed interest in the moon represents not just a continuation of the human spirit of exploration, but also a necessary step in our evolution as a spacefaring species. The challenges and opportunities of establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon could catalyze new technologies and strategies for living off Earth's resources. Understanding the moon's origin enhances our comprehension of the Earth and the life it supports. It's a story that connects us with the broader narrative of the universe, one that spans billions of years and unimaginable distances. Knowing how celestial events like the moon's formation can affect planetary environments helps us appreciate the fragility and uniqueness of our own world. Moreover, this knowledge underscores the importance of space science and exploration in predicting and perhaps eventually mitigating cosmic threats to our planet. By studying the moon, we learn not just about the past, but also prepare for the future, equipping humanity with the knowledge and skills to navigate the uncertain terrains of the cosmos. The journey to understand the moon is more than scientific inquiry. It's a quest that feeds our fundamental curiosity about our place in the universe and our aspirations to reach beyond our earthly confines. The birth of the moon was no ordinary event. It was a spectacle of cosmic proportions that has left a lasting imprint on Earth. This celestial body, born from violence, has been a caretaker of Earth's stability, a muse for cultural expression, and a beacon that has guided scientific discovery. As we continue to gaze at the moon, let's remember its vital role, not just in the past, but in the future narratives of our planet and species. The bond between Earth and the moon is a profound reminder of the dynamic and interconnected universe we are a part of. In understanding the moon's story, we find threads of our own, tied to the rhythms of the cosmos, guided by the light of our closest celestial neighbor. For those interested in delving deeper into the fascinating story of the moon's formation and its impact on Earth, the following resources are invaluable. The Violent Birth of the Moon by Dr. Sarah T. Stewart. Moon, A Brief History by Bernd Brunner. The Earth and Its Satellite. The Influence of the Moon in a Cosmic Perspective by Dr. James Zimbelman. These publications offer a comprehensive look at the scientific, cultural, and existential significance of the moon, equipped with detailed analyses and captivating narratives. They are essential reading for anyone captivated by the mysteries of our closest celestial partner. For more interactive and visual learning, several documentaries and online courses are available that explore the dramatic history and future potential of our moon. These resources provide engaging and informative insights into one of the most pivotal events in the history of our planet.